Hello, lovely humans.
Assalamu alaikum.
Namaste.
Hello.
Jen Fox here. I'm a senior program manager for the Make It team at Microsoft.
My name is Mohammad Iftikhar Ibn Jalal, and you can call me Iftu.
My name is Latifa Binu, a Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador from Lagos, Nigeria.
My name is Alvin, and I am a Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador in Pasika, India.
Hey guys, I am Aryan. I am Microsoft Student Partner from India.
Hey everyone, I'm Jen Looper. I'm a Cloud Advocate Lead on the academic team at Microsoft.
I'm Jim Bennett, an Education Cloud Advocate on the Next Generation Experiences team at Microsoft.
My name is Manvija and I am a Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador at Patna, India.
My name is Bhavesh Suneja and I am a Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador.
My name is Nithya Narasimhan. I'm a Senior Cloud Advocate on the Developer Relations team.
My name is Zaina Kamil and I'm a Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador in Biblis, Lebanon.
I'm super excited to present to you a brand new 12-week, 24-lesson curriculum that was developed as a team across Microsoft and our Microsoft Learn Student Ambassadors, all about the Internet of Things.
The course provides you with virtual environment where you can have an hands-on practice.
An automated world is what the future of technology is.
So come join us and let's learn IoT together.